Hiya, I'm Vicky and welcome to Pretty Little Claws. In today's video I'm going to show you how to do marbling design with the Urban Graffiti gel polishes. So these nails are already prepped and I have got acrylic on them. So I don't need a base coat, I'm just going straight in with my colours. So I'm going to use Moroccan Tan, Tequila Sunrise, Outrageous Orange and Tangerine Twist. Using a piece of foam paper. Start with the darkest colour, I think. Don't think it really matters. Blob it in. Next one in. I go for that one. And you just repeat in the colours. Blob. Ooh, don't matter. Then you're going to get a dotting tool and really slowly drag it through. And then the gel brush, I'm going to slowly, with your gel brush, push it underneath the gel. It up, pop it on the nail, and again pull down really slowly. And dragging it across the nail so you can see the marbling going across. Going to neaten up around the edges of the cuticle area. Maybe use a smaller brush. Oh, look at that. So I'm just using a little brush to fill in any bits that I've missed, and obviously getting it off the skin. And get rid of that bit of fluff as well. There we go, and then pop that under the lamp for 60 seconds, please. Yep, pop that under another minute, please. Alright, so let's check out these colours. Royal Blood, Guilt Trip, good name, Snow White. I'm gonna pop. So slowly push the brush underneath the gel polish. And then pop it on And then slowly you kind of push the brush up and down a little bit to get it off. Oh, it reminds me of like geode, you know, like stones and things. Gonna go in with some random colours and fill out the bits that I've missed and get closer to that cuticle. Can pop that under the lamp, 30 seconds. So I'm going to top coat that. You could do them all marble and then top coat them, but I've just decided I'm going to top coat them individually. There we go. Next colours, matcha, chartreuse and peppermint. Slide it under, pick it up. With the little brush up towards the cuticle, pick up some random colours, cap it. Yes, pop it on the lamp, 60 seconds please. Right, using the Urban Graffiti top coat, going to cover that design. Oh. Pop it on the lamp, 60 seconds please. Right, so I've got Purple Rain, Vintage Rose and Quick Kiss. Get close to that cuticle. There we go. Oh, missed a bit. Yay! Yeah. Pop that under the lamp, 60 seconds please. Using the Urban Graffiti top coat, I'm going to top coat that nail. Pop that under, 1 minute. This one's Warm Fire. I've got sherbet lemon and buttercup. Okay, so what I did then was just picked up a bit of warm fire and dragged it through because it was looking too plain. Pop it under there, 60 seconds please. And then using the Urban Graffiti top coat, I'm going to seal that design in. And then pop that in, 60 seconds please. Using the Neo Nails cuticle oil, I'm going to rehydrate those cuticles. The way that I've done these is basically like the old school method of dropping polish into water and then dipping your hand under. But using a gel polish, you don't need to use the water, you just blop in bits of gel polish on top of each other. And it just gives it a really like wet, like, yeah, wet effect. I don't know. Me? I like them. I think that one's my favourite.
And the green one, I really like the green one.
Like that one could look really good for holiday. You do like a sandy beach theme. Yeah. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and all the products, 16 of them, will be listed below. And give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. And I'll see you next time. Bye!